And here we are in the kids camp room at Great Wolf Lodge in Grand Mound, Washington. There's a kid in a camp right there.
Hey.
That's the feature that definitely makes this room special. Lots of really cool theming here. Got some bears on the wall here. Some squirrels, they got their fishing pole stuck somehow. Cool trail map on the wall. Some other drawn in windows. Here's our bathroom. Pretty average size, but has a nice extended bar on the shower. They give you a ton of towels. We are at a water park after all. A little bit extra bedding.
I want to go to the water park now.
Isaac's ready to go to the park right now, and I am too, just about. Here's our sink mirror area. There we are. Microwave and fridge here. Bucket for some ice. Little coffee setup. And a pretty large refrigerator. I pulled the drawer out so you can see there's a lot of storage down here.
Is there a charger for this thing?
3 big drawers if you wanted to unload your suitcase into there. This is a couch bed. I pulled it out so you can see it's pretty average, but good for sleeping a kid on for sure. And then the regular queen bed here. And our view. Train moving along in the distance out there. If I look this way, I can see the front entrance to the hotel down there with the wolf up front. Pretty large table. Maybe eating pizza there later. It's a nice room. When we come here, we've usually stayed in just their regular non-themed rooms, but it's pretty fun for a change. These guys love it. So we're about to go out and ride some water slides. Thanks for watching.